All right, so I'm here in my kitchen and I'm getting ready to lay underlayment for my tile floor. And before you lay your underlayment, you actually want to prep your subfloor. And I've already done a video on that, so I'm going to link that here or down in the video description. So first thing we're going to do is chalk a line for layout, and then we're going to cut all the pieces to fit, and then we're going to come back and put some thin set under each piece and nail it down. So for the underlayment, I chose 1/4 inch Hardiebacker because it's a little bit cheaper and it gets the job done just as well.
Let me go that way just a little bit. I'll put it under the drywall chart.
That way it makes way less dust with the grinder.
Just
22.5.
I didn't eat yesterday, and the bar is closed.
Whole fit okay?
I made it a little bigger. Oh, yeah.
All right, so we're most of the way done laying the underlayment in the kitchen for the tile, and I thought I'd go over a few things real quick. So as we're going, we're actually gapping the sheets to give about a 1/16 of an inch space between each piece of underlayment, so that when the time comes, we're able to easily pull them out, put the thin set down, and then lay the sheet back in place. And then also you want to watch your seams in your subfloor and how they lay out compared to the seams in your underlayment. You want at least a 2 to 3 inch offset between the two, so that as the subfloor moves, you don't get any movement in your tile and potentially cause cracks or whatever in your grout in the future. All right, so the underlayment's all cut and fit, and now we're just gonna go piece by piece and get them all set. So we're gonna go piece by piece. We're gonna pull one up, sweep around it, make sure there's nothing under there. Then we're gonna spread the mortar thin set under there, and then put it back down and put some nails in it.
Slide it over here.
shoulder or ankle. Shoulder.
We've got all the underlayment glued down and nailed, and now the last thing that we're going to want to do right before we lay the tile is put this down on all the joints. It's specially made for concrete board. And when we're putting it down, this has a little bit of adhesive on it, but it doesn't really work that well. So we're going to lay it out, and then we're going to actually shoot it with some spray adhesive to help it adhere, let it set up and dry, and then we'll be ready to lay tile. Okay, so during recording, my camera died, and I didn't realize it until I was editing this video that I missed the spray adhesive part. So you take some spray adhesive, and you go right here where you put down your tape, and you just go right along the top like so, let it set up, and you're good to go. That's all you need to do. As you can see during the process, the tape Does pretty well, doesn't want to come up then. If you didn't use a spray adhesive, when you're running the trowel over the tape, it's going to catch it and kind of pull it up, and it's just kind of a pain in the butt. However, just a little shot of spray adhesive, it kind of holds it in place. And as you can see, I already got most of this kitchen tiled. I'm going to put a link up here or down in the video description on how to lay large format tile if you're interested. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.